Hi, I am Devidatta. Today you will be learning cool down yoga for runners or sportsmen. So after you have a long run, a long day of play, it's very important to cool down those muscles, to relax those muscles, to avoid any injury. So what we'll be doing is taking the wall support and lying down on the back such that the legs are flat on the wall. Now from here, this itself is a very relaxing practice. Allows the blood flow towards your upper body, allows you to relax your lower back, your hamstrings are stretched, calf muscle is stretched. Have some distance and relax. And start massaging your thighs, your hamstrings, and your glutes, your buttocks. So this massage will really release the tiredness in these muscles. Then you cross one leg, keep it just below the knee and bend this leg. So this is stretching out the sides, the buttocks and the back. Relax. Other leg. Bend. Catch. Relax. Do it with very relaxed manner, very easily. Then stretch the legs wide. If you want, you support them with the hands or just relax. Stretching out the inner parts, the inner sides of the legs. Breathe. Come back. And then finally we do a good twist. Spread the hands, bend the legs and turn. This is wonderful for your sides, for your back, really relaxing those tension after that long run or after that full day of your game. Come back and on the other side. Breathe deep into your abdominal muscles. Let the air go right into your lower lobes. And come back. Again, stretch the legs up. Hands by the side and just stay there for about 2-3 minutes. Put a soft music and enjoy it. Allowing your body to relax. Just surrendering your body to this position so that it works on your body even more. But when you want to come out, always remember, bend the legs, turn on one side. Be there for some time, don't immediately sit up after doing any inverted position. Then slowly sit up. And feel the effect of this practice. As a sportsman, as a runner, it's very important to have these cooling down practices which avoids you or which avoids any injury to your body. Try it out and let us know the difference. Thank you.